Question number 85. Which one of the following is not a verb? Die, 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 die. Option C, dyer, dire. या ऑप्शन डी dying, dying. Which one of the following is not a verb? कौन सी इसमें से वर्ब नहीं है? ऑप्शन नंबर सी, dyer वर्ब नहीं है. यूज एप्रोप्रिएट आर्टिकल. ही गैव मी डैश 1000 रुपी नोट. नो आर्टिकल. ए n 1000 रुपी नोट या द 1000 रुपी नोट. ही गेव मी अ 1000 रुपी नोट. ऑप्शन बी. ही सैड एज डैश मैटर ऑफ डैश फैक्ट there was dash explosion in dash last house I visited and dash Mr. Bean's dash owner of dash house was burnt in dash the house was burnt in dash phase. He said as a matter of fact there was an explosion in the last house I visited and the Mr. Bean, the owner of the house, was burnt in the face. Which one of the following is not a passive construction? कौन सा पैसिव नहीं है इसमें से? Let the order be given. He is gone. When is the mail delivered? Must this tree be cut? He is gone is in active voice construction. पैसिव वॉइस हमेशा ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब से बनता है. What happens when a sentence containing two objects in the active voice is changed to passive voice? Options are: it is not possible to change it into active voice. Option B, both the objects become the subject in the passive voice. Either object may become the subject of the passive construction while the other object is retained. In such cases, one of the objects is removed in the passive construction. Option C, either object may become the subject of the passive construction while the other object is retained. Change the voice of following sentences. Your children are playing video games. Options are: video games have been played by your children. Video games were played by your children. Video games are being played by your children. Video games are played by your children. Option number C is correct answer. Video games are being played by your children. Open the door. Options are: the door must be opened. The door is opened. The door will be opened. Let the door be opened. Let the door be opened. Next question. Must we cut this tree? This tree must be cut by us. Must this tree cut by us? Must this tree be cut by us? Or must this tree been cut by us? Option C. Must this tree be cut by us? Must we cut this tree? Must this tree be cut by us? They will invite all the children. The passive voice form of the above sentence will be: they will invite all the children. Options are: all the children will be invited. The children will be invited by all. All the children will have invited. Option D, the children will be invited. The correct option is option number A. All the children will be invited. They will invite all the children. All the children will be invited. The passive voice of we make butter from milk is we make butter from milk. The passive voice form option A, butter is being made from milk. Butter has been made from milk. Butter was made from milk. Or option D, butter is made from milk. Answer of the question number 94 is option number D. Butter is made from milk. We make butter from milk. Butter is made from milk. Which is the correct passive voice of the following sentence? They have painted the door. The door was painted. The door has been painted. The door is painted. The door be painted. They have painted the door. The correct option is option number B. The door has been painted. They have painted the door. The door has been painted. Which of the following does not match correctly? Direct speech. Let's punish that boy, said I. He said, you needn't wait. She said, I go for walk every morning. Ashok to Mohan, can't you return it tomorrow? Indirect speech. I suggested that we should punish that boy. He said that I needn't to wait. She said that she goes for walk every morning. Ashok asked Mohan whether he couldn't return in the next day. The correct option of 96 is option number B. He said that I needn't to wait. Question number 97. The father said to his daughter, when will you return? In reported speech, the above sentence will be the father asked his daughter when she would return, when should she return, when she will return, or when she would return. When she would return is right answer. The father asked his daughter when she would return. The teacher said to the students, be polite in your speech. In reported speech, the above sentence will be the teacher asked the students to be polite in their speech, that be polite in their speech, to be polite in your speech, that be polite in your speech. Option number A. The teacher asked the students to be polite in their speech. My neighbor said to me, I am going out for a few days. In reported speech, the above sentence will be my neighbor told me that he was going out for a few days. He is going out for a few days. He will go out for a few days, or we are going out for a few days. Option number A is the right answer. He was going out for a few days. My neighbor said to me, I am going out for a few days. My neighbor told me that he was going out for a few days. Manjeet said to Anisha, could you please open the window? In the above sentence, Manjeet is asking a question, giving an instruction, offering advice, or making a request. In the above sentence, Manjeet is making a request. He asked me, what time will the sun act tomorrow? Set tomorrow. What time will the sun set tomorrow? He asked me. Option number A. He asked me, what time does the sun set the next day? He asked me what time the sun would set tomorrow. He asked me what time the sun would set the next day. He asked me what time would the sun set the next day. Option number C is the right answer. He asked me what time the sun would set the next day. The principal asked Tinu, where have you been all these days? Option number A. The principal asked Tinu where he had been all those days. The principal asked Tinu where he has been all those days. Option number C. The principal asked Tinu where had he been all those days. Option number D. The principal asked Tinu where was he all those days. Option number A is correct answer of the question number 102. The principal asked Tinu where he had been all those days. Question number 103. She said, "Shall I have a happy married life?" She said, "Shall I have a happy married life?" Options are: she asked whether she will have a happy married life. She asked whether she would have a happy married life. She asked, will she have a happy married life? Option D. She asked whether she will have a happy married life. Option B is correct answer. She asked whether she would have a happy married life. Use appropriate determiners. There are dash rooms in his hotel than mine. There are less, lesser, fewer, or any. Option C. Fewer. There are fewer rooms in his hotel than mine. He has read dash books than I. Less, lesser, fewer, or few. Option number C. Fewer. He has read fewer books than I. You can choose the better of dash of these pens. Some of these pens, many of these pens, both of these pens, or few of these pens. Option number C. You can choose the better of both of these pens. तुलना हमेशा दो में की जाती है, इसलिए बोथ यूज होगा. There is not traffic along the street where he lives. Many, much traffic, some traffic, or few traffic. Option number B. There is not much traffic along the street where he lives. He is the richest person in Jaipur, so he can have dash cars, many cars, much cars, any cars, a lot of cars. A lot of car. He is the richest person in Jaipur, so he can have a lot of cars. Every scientific invention has proved harmful to society than beneficial. Much, many, more, any. Every scientific invention has proved more harmful to society than beneficial. Transform from assertive sentence to negative sentence. Assertive to negative. He is stronger than I. Options are: he is not stronger than I. He is not so strong as I. I am not so strong as he. I am not the strongest than he. Option number C is the correct answer. I am not so strong as he. He is stronger than I. I am not so strong as he. Change the degree of adjective of the following sentence. Ram is as tall as I. Ram is as tall as I. Options are: I am taller than Ram. I am not taller than Ram. I am not tall than Ram. Ram is taller than I. I am not taller than Ram. Ram is as tall as I. I am not taller than Ram. He is greater than I. I am not so great as he. I am as great as he. I am as greater as he. He is as great as I. He is greater than I. I am not so great as he. Option number A. I am not so great as he. Choose the correct form of the word. Ram and I dash playing cricket. Is playing, am playing, are playing, or was playing? Are playing. Ram and I are playing cricket. If I dash the Prime Minister, I would help the poor. If I was, were, am, are, were. If I were the Prime Minister, I would help the poor. My uncle or guardian dash coming, is coming, am coming, are, or were. My uncle and guardian is coming. My uncle and my guardian dash coming, is, am, or was. My uncle and my guardian are coming. Use appropriate preposition. I was tired dash the end of the day. In the end of the day, at the end of the day, after the end of the day, or with the end of the day. I was tired at the end of the day. Which one of the following has a correct sentence pattern? She put all the books on the table. She all the books on the table put. She put on the table all the books. She on the table put all the books. Answer of question number 118 is option number A. She put all the books on the table. Dash mistake, I opened Sylvia's letter instead dash my own. She was very angry dash me and said that I had done it dash purpose. Buy off on with, or with off on with. Option number B. By mistake, I opened Sylvia's letter instead of my own. She was very angry with me and said that I had done it in on purpose. Correct the error relating to preposition in the following sentence. Most of Leo Tolstoy's works have into besides into. Most of Leo Tolstoy's works have been beside into translated into Hindi and other Indian languages. Correct the error relating to prepositions in the following sentence. The economy was hit hard with the recession of the late 90s. By the recession of the late 90s. The book is dash on the table. The book is on the table. Use appropriate connectives. As soon as the peon rings the bell, dash all the students come to the assembly room for prayer. As soon as the peon rings the bell, All the students come to the assembly room for prayer. Both the rich dash the poor are affected equally when prices of petrol and diesel increase. Both the richer and the poor are affected equally when prices of petrol and diesel increase. Find the error. It is I, who is your friend, can help you. No. Find the error. Option number B. It is I, who am your friend, can help you. We must leave early dash we won't get a good seat. Conjunction. We must leave early, otherwise we won't get a good seat. Kolkata dash Tagore lived is a crowded city. Kolkata, where Tagore lived, is a crowded city. Dash you give me your pen please. Would you give me your pen please? If he works hard, he dash pass. Will. If he works hard, he will pass. The correct synonym of the word attenuate is fawn, delay, dispute, weaken. Weaken. The correct synonym of the word attenuate. Attenuate, weaken. Synonym of the word perfectionary. Perfectionary. Perfunctory is half-hearted. Perfunctory is half-hearted. The word magnificent is similar to in meaning to very large, grand, huge, royal. Grand. The word magnificent is similar in meaning to grand. The word bliss has a meaning similar to happiness, anger, darkness, innocence. Happiness. Bliss is similar to happiness. The word approve is opposite in meaning to confirm, reject, accept, return. Reject. Approve is opposite in meaning to reject. The opposite of the word optimistic is pessimistic, hopeful, ideal, dull. Opposite of the word optimistic is pessimistic. The word innocent is opposite in meaning to that of clever, ignorant, active, guilty. Guilty. Innocent is opposite in meaning to that of guilty. The opposite of the word support is help, argue, oppose, return. सपोर्ट का एंटोनिम होगा अपोज. द विच वर्ड इज अपोजिट इन मीनिंग टू इंटरेस्टिंग. इंटरेस्टिंग का अपोजिट होगा कंफ्यूजिंग, बोरिंग, कॉन्ट्रास्टिंग और प्लीजिंग. बोरिंग, इंटरेस्टिंग, बोरिंग. चूज द वन वर्ड फॉर द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंसेस. अ बिल्डिंग वेयर एयरक्राफ्ट्स आर केप्ट बिटवीन फ्लाइट्स. Boulevard, Fourth Estate, dockyard, hangar. Hangar, a building where aircrafts are kept between flights. Hangar. Choose the correct phrasal verb. We must dash our experience or we will get into debt. We must cut down our experiences or we will get into debt. Cut down. To weather the storm means to be out in bad weather, to survive in difficult times, to make a fuss over something, to feel happy. To weather the storm means to survive in difficult times. To weather the storm means to survive in difficult times. To pull through means to pull with strength, To use a lot of energy, to recover, to control. To pull through means to recover. Choose the correct answer from the passage. पैसेज फ्रेंड्स आप खुद पढ़िए. One day rich merchant was walking through dash dash dash. Write the antonyms of poor, rich. Find the word from the passage which means answered, replied. Write one word. A person who sell or purchase things. Merchant. Find the word which has similar meaning of suggested, advised. Choose the correct meaning of the following. Council, committee. Council, committee. Counsel, to advise. Counsel, S-E-L. Counsel, to advise. Council, C-I-L. Committee. Which of the following words does not have a correct prefix? Valuation, devaluation, legitimate, illegitimate, human, superhuman, or ordained, nordained. Ordained, nordained. Ordained, nordained here have a correct prefix. तो अब मॉडल नंबर 4 शुरू करते हैं. मॉडल टेस्ट पेपर नंबर 4. किस वाक्य में सकर्मक क्रिया नहीं है? बच्चे फिल्म देख रहे हैं, रजत दूध पी रहा है, मनीषा ने कार खरीदी, मोर नाचता है. मोर नाचता है. मोर नाचता है में सकर्मक क्रिया नहीं है क्योंकि इसमें कोई कर्म नहीं है. गौरी शब्द का अर्थ नहीं है. पार्वती, सरस्वती, हल्दी, पृथ्वी. गौरी शब्द का अर्थ सरस्वती नहीं है. गौरी शब्द के अनेकार्थी में गौरी, पार्वती, गौर वर्ण स्त्री, हल्दी, पृथ्वी, तुलसी, चमेली हैं. गोविंद ने राम को जगाया में कौन सी क्रिया है? प्रेरणार्थक क्रिया, रूढ़ क्रिया, सकर्मक क्रिया या संयुक्त क्रिया? प्रेरणार्थक क्रिया. पूर्वकालिक क्रिया के लिए सही क्रमांक बताइए. वह पुस्तक पढ़ने के बाद सो गया. वह पुस्तक पढ़ता रहा. वह पुस्तक पढ़कर सो गया. उसने पुस्तक पढ़ी और सो गया. उपयुक्त विकल्प में पूर्वकालिक क्रिया के लिए सही विकल्प होगा ऑप्शन नंबर सी. वह पुस्तक पढ़कर सो गया. प्रत्युत्तर शब्द में कौन सा उपसर्ग लगा है? प्रत्युत्तर शब्द में प्र उपसर्ग लगा है. परि, प्रति या परा? प्रति उपसर्ग. प्रत्युत्तर शब्द प्रति उपसर्ग व उत्तर शब्द के संयोग से बना है. प्रेतक शब्द में इक प्रत्यय के साथ मूल शब्द है. पिता, पितृ, पितर या पैतृ. पैतृक शब्द में प्रत्यय के साथ मूल शब्द है पितृ. ऑप्शन नंबर बी, पितृ. किस क्रमांक में कलश कुलिश शब्द युग्म का सही अर्थ है? घड़ा कुटिल, घड़ा वृज, वृज कठोर या लोटा अत्याचारी? कलश कुलिश का शाब्दिक अर्थ होगा घड़ा और वृज. कुलिश से वृज या हीरा और कलश का अर्थ घड़ा होता है. शुद्ध रूप किसका है? उर्मिला, उम्रिला, उर्मिला और उम्लिला. ऑप्शन नंबर डी, उर्मिला. उर्मिला शुद्ध रूप है. स्वागत शब्द में संधि है. स्वागत शब्द में कौन सी संधि है? यण, अयादि, व्यंजन, विसर्ग. स्वागत शब्द में यण संधि है. सुधन आगत, स्वागत. परोक्ष शब्द में समास है. द्विगु, अवयवी भाव, द्वंद्व या कर्मधारय। अवयवी भाव समास। परोक्ष शब्द में अवयवी भाव समास है। प्रथम पद परे एक अवयव है, अतः यहाँ अवयवी भाव समास है। समास विग्रह होगा अक्षी, आँखों के सामने। तुलसी कृत में समास का नाम होगा अपादान तत्पुरुष, करण तत्पुरुष, संप्रदान तत्पुरुष या कर्म तत्पुरुष। तुलसी कृत में समास का नाम होगा करण तत्पुरुष। तुलसी के द्वारा कृत। दर दर की ठोकर खाना मुहावरे का सही अर्थ होगा दर दर घूमना, दरवाज़ों की ठोकर खाना, बहुत कष्ट उठाना, एक दूसरे की लातें खाना। बहुत कष्ट उठाना। जो दूसरों में केवल दोषों को ही खोजता हो के लिए एक शब्द है। प्रतिस्पर्धा, प्रतिनिधि, कृतघ्न, छिद्रान्वेषी। जो दूसरों में केवल दोषों को ही खोजता हो, छिद्रान्वेषी। किसी काम में दूसरे से बढ़ने की इच्छा, प्रतिस्पर्धा। जो किसी की ओर से हो, प्रतिनिधि। जो उपकार नहीं मानता, कृतघ्न कहलाता है। बिना वेतन का को कहते हैं जनश्रुति, अवैतनिक, सैकड़ा, समवयस्क। बिना वेतन को कहलाता है अवैतनिक। जो बात पूर्व काल से लोगों में कह सुनकर प्रचलित हो, जनश्रुति। 100 वस्तुओं का संग्रह, सैकड़ा या शतक। जो समान उम्र का हो, समवयस्क। का वर्षा जब कृषि सुखाने, लोकोक्ति का अर्थ है का वर्षा जब कृषि सुखाने। वर्षा का समय पर होना, समय बीत जाना, हानि के बाद उपचार व्यर्थ या हानि होते रहना। हानि होने के बाद उपचार व्यर्थ। अगम शब्द का विलोम है सुगम, संयोग, ऋजु, अनुराग। अगम का सुगम, संयोग का वियोग, ऋजु का वक्र, अनुराग का विलोम विराग होता है। प्रवृत्ति शब्द का विलोम होता है तरल, मूल्यवान, क्रिया, निवृत्ति। प्रवृत्ति शब्द का विलोम होगा निवृत्ति। तरल का ठोस, मूल्यवान का मूल्यहीन और क्रिया का विलोम प्रतिक्रिया। किस विकल्प में सही विलोम शब्द प्रयुक्त हुआ है? अर्जन, वर्जन, तृषा, व्यास, ऊढ़ा, नपोढ़ा, वक्र, वंक, वक्र। सही विलोम शब्द प्रयुक्त हुआ है अर्जन, वर्जन। अर्जन का वर्जन होता है। ऊढ़ा का अनहूढ़ा, वक्र का ऋजु या सीधा और तृषा का तृप्ति। केश का हिंदी रूप क्या है? प्रकरण, नकद, आकस्मिक, जनगणना। केश का हिंदी रूप है नकद। केस का प्रकरण, कैजुअल का आकस्मिक और सेंसस का जनगणना। किस क्रमांक में सही संधि विच्छेद है? वधु धन उल्लास, वधुल्लास। पत धन हति, पद्धति। कुलु धन अटा, कुल्टा। जल धन उर्मी, जलोर्मी। सही संधि विच्छेद है पत धन हति, पद्धति में। मनोरथ का सही संधि विच्छेद होगा मन धन अरथ, मनोधन रथ, मनः धन रथ, मनोधन अरथ। मनः धन रथ। मनोरथ शब्द का संधि विच्छेद मनः धन रथ होगा। अभी उपसर्ग से निर्मित कौन सा शब्द नहीं है? अभ्यागत, अभिशाप, अभ्युत्थान, उपनिवेश। अभी उपसर्ग से निर्मित शब्द है, निर्मित शब्द नहीं है, उपनिवेश नहीं है। अभिधन आगत, अभ्यागत, अभिधन शाप, अभिशाप, अभिधन उत्थान, अभ्युत्थान, अभिधन इप्सित, अभिप्सित, अभिप्सित का सही संधि विच्छेद होगा अभिधन इप्सित। ऑप्शन नंबर सी अभिधन ईप्सित। ढाक के 3 पात लोकोक्ति का सही अर्थ है परिवर्तन के लिए तैयार होना, स्थिति में कोई परिवर्तन न होना, स्थिति बदलती रहना, परिवर्तन की स्वीकृति मानना। स्थिति में कोई परिवर्तन न होना। बचत शब्द में प्रयुक्त प्रत्यय का नाम बताइए। अत, अक, बन, बच। अत बचत, बच धन अत बचत। आटे दाल का भाव मालूम होना का सही अर्थ है जीवन के कठिन यथार्थ भूलना, जीवन के कठिन यथार्थ का पता चलना, आटे व दाल का बाजार मूल्य ज्ञात करना, व्यापार की सही जानकारी होना। आटे दाल का भाव मालूम होना, जीवन के कठिन यथार्थ का पता चलना। दुराचार शब्द में किस उपसर्ग का प्रयोग हुआ है? दुरा, दुर, दुर या दुर? दुर। दुराचार शब्द में दुर उपसर्ग का प्रयोग हुआ है हलंत वाले दुर का। दुर्लभ, दुर्जन, दुर्गम, दुराशा दुर उपसर्ग से निर्मित हुए हैं। कंप्लीमेंट्री शब्द का हिंदी रूप होगा मानार्थ, अनुपालन, परिवर्तन, विज्ञप्ति। मानार्थ। कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री शब्द का हिंदी रूप होगा मानार्थ। कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री मानार्थ। कंप्लायंस अनुपालन, कॉम्यूटेशन परिवर्तन, कम्युनिकी विज्ञप्ति। तरावट शब्द में प्रयुक्त प्रत्यय छाटिए। आवट, वट, तर, अवट, आवट। तरावट में आवट प्रत्यय है। निम्न विकल्पों में शुद्ध वर्तनी होगी भागीरथी, बेईमान, भगवद गीता, बेइज्जती। किस विकल्प में शुद्ध वर्तनी है? भागीरथी में। भागीरथी शुद्ध है, शेष विकल्प अशुद्ध है। शुद्ध रूप होगा भगवत गीता। बेइज्जती, बेईमान। निम्न में अशुद्ध विकल्प होगा मृग, मौत, मौत, युद्ध। अशुद्ध विकल्प होगा मौत, बी ऑप्शन। कौन सा वाक्य शुद्ध है? कुएं में कौन पानी भर रहा है? उसे शक मत करो। खेत पर क्या बोया? आज बजट पर बहस होगी। शुद्ध वाक्य होगा ऑप्शन नंबर डी, आज बजट पर बहस होगी। किसी की प्रतिष्ठा को सायास, ठेस पहुंचाना का वाक्यांश के लिए उपयुक्त शब्द होगा अपमान, अवमानना, तिरस्कार। उपयुक्त सभी। अपमान, किसी की प्रतिष्ठा को सायास, ठेस पहुंचाना, अपमान। अनायास, किसी की प्रतिष्ठा की हानि, अवमानना। तिरस्कार, किसी वस्तु या व्यक्ति के सम्मान की उपेक्षा करना। निम्न में से कौन सा वाक्य अशुद्ध है? अपनी गरज से नाक रगड़ता फिरता है। कल रात संगीता का रंग खूब जमा। आप तकल्लुफ़ न कीजिए, मैं उसे समझा लूँगा। वाक्य अशुद्ध है इसमें, मैं उसे समझा लूँगा, मैं उसे समझा दूँगा। शीतल मंद सुगंधित हवा का समानार्थी शब्द होगा शीतल मंद सुगंधित हवा। पवन, हवा, समीर, बयार या उपयुक्त सभी। बयार, शीतल मंद सुगंधित हवा, बयार। बयार, शीतल मंद सुगंधित हवा। पवन, कभी धीरे कभी तेज चलने वाली हवा को। समीर, शीतल और धीरे धीरे चलने वाली हवा को। कंसेक्यूटिव शब्द का हिंदी रूप होगा प्रेषण, अवेक्षित, अवेक्षित, प्रेषक। लगातार क्रमिक, लगातार क्रमिक, कंसेक्यूटिव। कंसाइनमेंट, प्रेषण। कंटेम्पलेटेड, अवेक्षित। कंसाइनर, प्रेषक। केला का पर्यायवाची होगा रंभा, काकुल, जखीरा, पश्म। रंभा। केला का पर्यायवाची होगा रंभा। केले के पर्याय कदली, आनुफल, रंभा, गजवसा, मोचा। अकर आकर का क्रमशः सही अर्थ है न करने योग्य खजाना, करने योग्य खान, पहाड़, सूर्य, देवता, जल। अकर आकर का क्रमशः सही अर्थ होगा न करने योग्य खजाना, अकर न करने योग्य, आकर खजाना। महादेव का पर्यायवाची है विधुशेखर, मकर, मधुकरी। विधुशेखर, मकर, मधुकरी या उपयुक्त सभी। विधुशेखर। विधुशेखर महादेव का पर्यायवाची है। मकर मछली, मधुकरी भिक्षा का पर्याय है, तो महादेव के पर्यायवाची हैं शिव, शंभु, पशुपति, महेश्वर, शंकर, विधुशेखर, इंदुशेखर, शशिशेखर, भूतेश आदि हैं। मोर का पर्यायवाची है केकी, कलाजी, शिखी या उपयुक्त सभी। केकी, कलाजी, शिखी उपयुक्त सभी मोर के पर्यायवाची हैं। मोर के पर्याय मयूर, केकी, सारंग, नीलकंठ, कलाजी, शिव, सुत, वाहन, शिखी आदि। अम्बुज, अम्बुधि शब्द युग्म शब्द के सही अर्थभेद का चयन कीजिए। अम्बुज, अम्बुधि, पानी तालाब, कमल सागर, बादल बिजली या समुद्र और कमल। अम्बुज, अम्बुधि युग्म शब्द के सही अर्थ हैं कमल और सागर। अम्बुज कमल, जल में जन्म लेने वाला, अम्बुधि सागर, जल का भंडार। किसी अवांछित कार्य का समानार्थी शब्द होगा पीड़ा, कष्ट, क्लेश, उपयुक्त सभी। अवांछित कार्य का समानार्थी शब्द होगा क्लेश। किसी अवांछित कार्य स्थिति का गहरा मानसिक कष्ट, क्लेश। शारीरिक कष्ट, पीड़ा। किसी अभाव व असमर्थता के कारण मानसिक एवं शारीरिक असुविधा, कष्ट। छात्र, छात्र युग्म शब्द के सही अर्थभेद का चयन कीजिए। विद्यार्थी और छात्रा, विद्यार्थी और क्षत्रिय, विद्यार्थी और अध्यापक, विद्यार्थी और कठोर। छात्र और छात्र युग्म शब्द के सही अर्थ हैं विद्यार्थी और क्षत्रिय। ईश्वर का पर्यायवाची शब्द है विभु, रब, साहब, उपयुक्त सभी। उपयुक्त सभी ईश्वर के पर्यायवाची हैं जगदीश, जगन्नाथ, प्रभु, अल्लाह, निरंजन, रब, विभु, साहब, स्वयंभू आदि ईश्वर के पर्यायवाची हैं। पथ, पथ्य युग्म शब्द के सही अर्थभेद का चयन कीजिए। रास्ता, पगडंडी, रास्ता और गली, मार्ग और राजमार्ग या मार्ग और रोगी का भोजन। ऑप्शन नंबर डी इज करेक्ट आंसर। पथ रास्ता, पथ्य रोगी का भोजन। डुप्लीकेट शब्द का हिंदी रूप है अभिधान, नकल, अनुलिपि, विधिवत। डुप्लीकेट का अर्थ है अनुलिपि। डुप्लीकेट का शब्द का हिंदी रूप है अनुलिपि। डुप्लीकेट, अनुलिपि। डिनोमिनेशन, अभिधान, डिनोमिनेशन, अभिधान। कॉपी, नकल। ड्यूली, विधिवत, ड्यूली, विधिवत। बदबू में कौन सा समास है? बहुब्रीहि, द्वंद्व, तत्पुरुष, कर्मधारय। बदबू में कर्मधारय समास है। बद बुरी है जो बू, बदबू। वनमानुष में कौन सा समास है? द्वंद्व, तत्पुरुष, बहुव्रीहि, द्विगु। वनमानुष में कौन सा समास है? तत्पुरुष समास है। वनमानुष में तत्पुरुष समास है। वनमानुष का समास विग्रह वन में रहने वाला मनुष्य, मनुष्य। समक्ष शब्द में समास है कर्मधारय बहुव्रीहि द्विगु अव्ययी भाव। समक्ष शब्द में समास होगा अव्ययी भाव समास। प्रथम पद सम एक अव्यव है, अतः यहाँ अव्ययी भाव समास है। समास विग्रह होगा अक्षी आँखों के सामने। जन्मांध शब्द में समास है करण तत्पुरुष, कर्म तत्पुरुष, संप्रदान तत्पुरुष, अपादान तत्पुरुष। अपादान तत्पुरुष जन्मांध शब्द में समास है अपादान तत्पुरुष। जन्मांध में समास अपादान तत्पुरुष है, इसमें से जोड़कर समास विग्रह होगा जन्म से अंधा। जन्मांध अपादान तत्पुरुष समास जन्म से अंधा। अर्धशासकीय पत्र में प्रेषिति की संबोधन शैली होती है प्रिय रमेश जी, सेवा में शर्मा जी, सेवा में निदेशक जी, महामहिम राज्यपाल। अर्धशासकीय पत्र में प्रेषिति की संबोधन शैली होगी प्रिय रमेश जी। कार्यवृत्त में सम्मिलित होते हैं सभी गोष्ठी बैठक का दिन व समय, उपस्थित सदस्य व अध्यक्ष, कार्यवृत्त के मुख्य भाग में उपस्थित लोगों की समीक्षात्मक राय का पूरा विवरण। उपरोक्त सभी कार्यवृत्त में सम्मिलित होते हैं। सभा गोष्ठी बैठक का दिन व समय, उपस्थित सदस्य व अध्यक्ष, कार्यवृत्त के मुख्य भाग में उपस्थित लोगों की समीक्षात्मक राय का पूरा विवरण। किसी कर्मचारी को पदोन्नति, छुट्टी, अन्य सुविधाओं की स्वीकृति आदि की अनुपालना हेतु पत्र होता है। निविदा, परिपत्र, ज्ञापन या कार्यालय आदेश। कार्यालय आदेश सक्षम अधिकारियों द्वारा जो आदेश नुमा पत्र जारी किया जाता है उसे कार्यालय आदेश, कार्यालय आज्ञा कहते हैं। यह किसी एक कर्मचारी को ही प्रेषित नहीं होता, वरन इसका प्रयोग किसी मंत्रालय, संबद्ध विभाग, अनुभाग या कार्यालय के आंतरिक प्रशासन संबंधी अनुदेश जारी करने के लिए किया जाता है। आवेदन पत्र का प्रारूप निर्मित होता है आवेदक द्वारा, रोजगार सेंटर द्वारा, प्रायः नियोक्ता द्वारा, कंप्यूटर ऑपरेटर द्वारा। आवेदन पत्र का प्रारूप निर्मित होता है प्रायः नियोक्ता द्वारा। आवेदन पत्र उम्मीदवार के भाषा ज्ञान और अभिव्यक्ति की क्षमता की तो जानकारी देते ही हैं, साथ ही उम्मीदवार की अभिलक्षित पद और संस्थान के प्रति गंभीरता भी दर्शाते हैं। किस क्रमांक में सही संधि का उदाहरण है? गोधन इंद्र गावेंद्र, शिशुधन ऐक्य शिश्वैक्य, पटधन मुख षडमुख, चतुहधन कपाल चतुर्कपाल। शिशुधन ऐक्य शिश्वैक्य में सही संधि का उदाहरण है। गोधन इंद्र में गवेंद्र होगा, षटधन मुख षणमुख होगा, चतुहधन कपाल चतुष्कपाल होगा। किस क्रमांक में शब्दगत संरचना में संधि नियम का अपवाद है? प्रबोधिनी, निरोग, अक्षोहिणी, अपराहन। अक्षोहिणी अक्षधन ऊहिनी अक्षोहिणी होना चाहिए, परंतु गुण संधि नियम के अपवाद अनुसार अक्षोहिणी बना। उद्धरण में संधि विच्छेद होगा उद्दिन रण, अद्दन रण, उद्दिन हरण या उद्दन हरण। ऑप्शन डी उद्दन हरण। हलंत द के बाद ह वर्ण आने पर द तथा ह के स्थान पर द कर देते हैं, अतः उद्दन हरण से उद्धरण रूप बनेगा। गुणाकेश का संधि विच्छेद होगा गुणधन आकेश, गुणाधन आकेश, गुणाका धन ईश या गुणाक धन ईश। गुणाका धन ईश गुणाकेश। सपरिवार में कौन सा समास है? तत्पुरुष, द्विगु, अव्ययी भाव, बहुव्रीहि। सपरिवार में समास होगा अव्ययी भाव समास। सपरिवार परिवार के साथ। निम्न में अधिकरण तत्पुरुष किस शब्द में होगा? कविवर, सर्वव्याप्त, सिर दर्द, सभी। अधिकरण तत्पुरुष समास। सभी में, कविवर, सर्वव्याप्त, सिर दर्द, तीनों में अधिकरण तत्पुरुष समास है। कवियों में वर, कविवर, सर्वव्याप्त, सर्व में व्याप्त, सिर दर्द, सिर में दर्द। उपसर्ग जहाँ किसी संज्ञा या विशेषण से जुड़ते हैं वहाँ किसी समास का निर्माण होता है, संधि का पालन नहीं होता, प्रत्यय विधान नहीं हो सकता, अन्य उपसर्ग का प्रयोग वर्जित हो जाता है। किसी समास का निर्माण करते हैं। उपसर्ग जहाँ किसी संज्ञा विशेषण से जुड़ते हैं वहाँ किसी समास का निर्माण करते हैं। संज्ञा, सर्वनाम, विशेषण के अंत में लगने वाले प्रत्यय को क्या कहते हैं? समास, संधि, कृदंत, तद्धित। तद्धित। संज्ञा, सर्वनाम, विशेषण के अंत में लगने वाले प्रत्यय को तद्धित प्रत्यय कहते हैं। असंगत विलोम युग्म है। कनिष्ठ, ज्येष्ठ, क्रिया प्रतिक्रिया, सरस, नीरस, सरल, कठिन। असंगत विलोम युग्म होगा सरस, नीरस, निश्रस। सरस का विलोम निरस होगा, न कि निश्रस। अक्षत का विलोम होता है दक्षत, विक्षत, शत या कक्षत। अक्षत का विलोम होता है शत। ऑप्शन सी। दक्ष का विलोम अदक्ष होगा, दक्षता का अदक्षता। विराट का विलोम क्षुद्र, शम का विलोम अक्षम, कृश का विलोम पुष्ट होगा। वर्तनी की दृष्टि से शुद्ध शब्द कौन सा है? सौभाग्यशाली, सौभाग्यशाली, सौभाग्यवाली या सौभाग्यशाली। सौभाग्यशाली, ऑप्शन नंबर बी। शुद्ध शब्द ज्योतिषीमान, व्यावसायिक, भविष्यवाणी, सदुपदेश, जागृतावस्था, यावत जीवन, स्वातंत्र्योत्तर। हम चाय अभी अभी पिए हैं वाक्य का शुद्ध रूप है हमने अभी अभी चाय पिए हैं, हमने अभी चाय पी है, हमने चाय अभी अभी पी है। कोई नहीं। ऑप्शन नंबर सी। अनेकार्थक शब्द एवं उसके द्वारा निर्धारित अर्थों की दृष्टि से असंगत विकल्प का चयन कीजिए। नव, नव की संख्या, नया। पत्र, चिट्ठी, नमूना, कलम। शिव, शंकर, मंगल, शुभ। सर, तालाब, सिर, पराजित। पत्र, चिट्ठी, नमूना, कलम नहीं होता। पत्र का पत्ता, चिट्ठी पंख होता है। किस क्रमांक में शुद्ध शब्द युग्म का सही अर्थभेद है? तरणी, तरणी, नौका और सूर्य, अनल और अनिल, हवा और अग्नि, मरीचि, मरीचि, रश्मि और रवि, श्लील और सलील, स्वेरी और शिष्ट। किसमें सही अर्थभेद नहीं है? ऑप्शन नंबर सी। अनल का आग, अनिल का हवा, तरणी का सूर्य और तरणी का नाव, तरुणी का युवती, श्लील का शिष्ट और सलील का स्वेरी होता है, स्वेरी। द कमीशन फॉर साइंटिफिक एंड टेक्निकल टर्मिनोलॉजी वाज सेट अप इन द ईयर 1961 वाक्य का हिंदी अनुवाद है। द कमीशन फॉर साइंटिफिक एंड टेक्निकल टर्मिनोलॉजी वाज सेट अप इन द ईयर 1961। वैज्ञानिक तथा तकनीकी शब्दावली आयोग की स्थापना 1961 में हुई। विज्ञान विभाग की स्थापना 1961 में हुई। भारतीय वैज्ञानिक विभाग 1961 में अस्तित्व में आया। भारतीय तकनीकी एवं वैज्ञानिक विभाग 1961 में बना। ऑप्शन ए। वैज्ञानिक तथा तकनीकी शब्दावली आयोग की स्थापना 1961 में हुई। किस शब्द में उर्दू का उपसर्ग नहीं है? बदकिस्मत, लाचार, अवरोध, हरदम। अवरोध में उर्दू का उपसर्ग नहीं है। साहित्यिक शब्द में कौन सा प्रत्यय है? यिक, इक, त्यक, यक। साहित्यिक शब्द में प्रत्यय है इक। केदार निम्नलिखित में से किसका पर्यायवाची है? ब्रह्मा, विष्णु, महेश, इंद्र। केदार पर्यायवाची किसका है? विष्णु का। केदार विष्णु का पर्यायवाची है। सॉरी, केदार महेश का पर्यायवाची है तथा विष्णु के पर्याय हैं जनार्दन, चक्रपाणि, लक्ष्मीपति, नारायण, दामोदर, ऋषिकेश, हरि आदि। केदार महेश का पर्याय है। किस शब्द युग में सही अर्थभेद नहीं है? अवलंब, अविलंब, सहारा, बिना रुके, आसन्न, आसन्न, आसन, निकट और बैठने का स्थल, अली और अली, सखी और भंवरा, अतुल, अतल और अतुल, गहरा और बड़ा, काफ़ी। सही अर्थभेद नहीं है सी में। अली का मतलब भंवरा और सखी होता है। इसी प्रकार अली आली का अर्थ भी भंवरा व सखी होता है। अली आली का अर्थ भंवरा व सखी, अली अली का अर्थ भंवरा और सखी। आरोही शब्द का विपरीतार्थक शब्द होगा अवरोही, अवरोहण, उतार या उधर्व। अवरोही, आरोही का अवरोही, अवरोहण का आरोहण, उतार का चढ़ाव, उधर्व का अधो। कपटी मित्र के लिए मुहावरा है गुदड़ी का लाल, आँख का तारा, आस्तीन का सांप, पीठ ठोकना। आस्तीन का सांप, कपटी मित्र, आस्तीन का सांप। गुदड़ी का लाल, गरीबों में भी प्रतिभावान होना, गरीबों में भी प्रतिभावान होना, गुदड़ी का लाल। आँख का तारा, बहुत प्यारा होना, पीठ ठोकना, साहस बनाना। मॉडल पेपर 3 के अंग्रेजी के क्वेश्चंस। क्वेश्चन नंबर 76, विच टेंस डू द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंस बिलोंग टू? टेंस बताना है। द वर्ब फ्रेज हैव कम इन द क्लोज मैनी डॉक्टर्स हैव कम टू द कंक्लूजन इज इन सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस, सिंपल पास्ट टेंस, प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस, पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस। प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस। Select the correct verb from Sachin has dash many records, broken many records, broken, broke or breakened. Sachin has broken many records. I wish my bus dashed so late then I could have reached home before breakfast. Has not arrived, does not arrive, did not arrive or had not arrived. I wish my bus did not arrive so late then I could have reached home before breakfast. His father won't be able to leave for Varanasi until they arrive, will arrive, have arrived or will have arrived. Arrive. His father won't be able to leave for Varanasi until they arrive. No one dash about me, will worry, need worry, needs to worry, shall worry. No one need worry about me. Fill the correct form of the verb. The train had left before I dashed the station. Reached the station, had reached the station, was reached or was reached. The train had left before I reached the station. Complete the following sentence. If I dash were, if we dash a lottery, we will buy a car. Will win, have won, won or win. If we win a lottery, we will buy a car. She dash the right answer. Knows, know, is knowing or known. She knows the right answer. She knows the right answer. Fill the correct form of the verb when the phone rang. We dash television. Watched, are watching, were watching. When the phone rang, we were watching television. We were watching television. Which of these following words is a verb? Sympathy, sympathize, sympathetic, sympathizer. कौन सा वर्ड वर्ब है? यूज एप्रोप्रिएट आर्टिकल. कौन सा वर्ड वर्ब है? sympathize. Dash cow that is grazing there is mine. A cow, an cow, the cow, or no article. The cow that is grazing there is mine. The cow that is grazing there is mine. The dog is dash loyal animal. A loyal animal, an loyal animal, या the loyal animal. The dog is a loyal animal. Option number A. Change the voice of the following sentence. They are repairing the bridge. They are repairing the bridge. Options are the bridge is repaired, the bridge are being repaired, the bridge is being repaired, or the bridge has been repaired. The bridge is being repaired. These clothes have to be washed. Change to active voice. She is to wash these clothes. Somebody has to wash these clothes. Someone have to be washing these clothes. Someone will be washing these clothes. Somebody has to wash these clothes. These clothes have to be washed. Somebody has to wash these clothes. Active voice. You will have to pull down this skyscraper as you have not complied with the town planning regulations. The skyscraper building will be pulled down as the town planning regulations are not complied with. This skyscraper will have to be pulled down as the planning regulations have not been complied with. The skyscraper should be pulled down as the town planning regulations were not complied with. This skyscraper should be pulled by you as you have not complied with the town planning regulations. Option number B is correct answer. The skyscraper will have to be pulled down as the planning regulations have not been complied with. I did not trust anybody. Nobody was trusted by me. Anybody had been trusted by me. Nobody would be trusted by me. Nobody has been trusted by me. Nobody was trusted by me. I did not trust anybody. Nobody was trusted by me. Did he remember the date and time? Are the time remembered by him? Was he remembering the date and time? Were the date and time remembered by him? Did he remember the date and time? Were the date and time remembered by him? Option C. Change the narration of the following sentence. Mohan said to Savita, "Can I borrow your book for a day?" In reported speech, the above sentence will be Mohan asked Ravita if he could borrow her book for a day. If they could borrow her book for a day, that could he borrow her book for a day? If that he could borrow her book for a day. Option number A. If he could borrow her book for a day. He said, "Will you listen to such a man?" He asked, "Will they listen to such a man?" He asked to them if they would listen to such a man. He asked them, would they listen to such a man? He asked them whether they would listen to such a man. He asked them whether they would listen to such a man. He said, "Will you listen to such a man?" He asked them whether they would listen to such a man. He said, "I go for a walk every morning." He said, "I go for a of walk every morning." Options are: he said that he went for a walk every morning. He said that he goes for a walk every morning. He told that he goes for a walk every morning. He said that he is going for a walk every morning. Option number B is right answer. He said that he goes for a walk every morning. She said to her brother, "Don't buy mangoes." In reported speech, above sentence will be: she asked her brother to not buy mangoes, not to buy mangoes, don't buy mangoes, or do not to buy mangoes. Not to buy mangoes. She asked her brother not to buy mangoes. The students said, "We want to learn a foreign language." In reported speech, the above sentence will be: the students said that they want to learn a foreign language, they wanted to learn a foreign language, we want to learn a foreign language, or we wanted to learn a foreign language. They wanted to learn a foreign language. My sister said, "I am enjoying my work." In reported speech, the above sentence will be: my sister said that she was enjoying her work. I was enjoying my work. She was enjoying my work. I have been enjoying my work. She was enjoying her work. My sister said, "I am enjoying my work." My sister said that she was enjoying her work. The spectators said, "Bravo, well done, players." The spectators said, "Bravo, well done, players." Options are: the spectators shouted that the players were doing very well. The spectators exclaimed with joy that the players were doing very well. The spectators applauded the players, saying that they had done very well. The spectators applauded the players joyfully to do well. The spectators applauded the players, saying that they had done well. Use appropriate determiners. The lame boy tired to climb up the staircase without dash help. Little help, any help, some help, or many help. Without any help. She spent dash amount of money she had. The few amount, the little amount, या much amount. She spent the little amount of money had. She spent the little amount of money she had. How dash horses were running in the last race. Much horses, many horses, any horses, or some horses. How many horses were running in the last race? How many? That was dash unique opportunity he got in his life. The most unique opportunity, a unique opportunity, an unique opportunity, or more unique opportunity. That was a unique opportunity. B option. I'm sorry, I have dash friends. Few friends, a few friends, some friends, or many friends. Few. I'm sorry, I have few friends. Dash persons were hurt in the accident. Any persons, that persons, some persons, his persons. Some persons were hurt in the accident. Some categorical some categorically suspected having seen the guard and thief together. Option A, and the, or no article. Some categorically suspected having seen the guard and the thief together. By all standards, he is dash best soldier our military school has ever produced. By all standards, he is the best soldier our military school has ever produced. The best soldier. Change the degree of adjective of the following sentences. No other boy in the class is so wise as Sunil. Use superlative degree. No other boys in the class is wiser than Sunil. Sunil is the wisest boy in the class. Sunil is the wisest of all the boys in the class. Sunil is the wisest boy. Sunil is the wisest boy in the class. Sheila is more beautiful than Garima. Options are शीला इज नॉट सो ब्यूटीफुल एज गरिमा. इसमें पॉजिटिव डिग्री यूज करनी है. गरिमा इज नॉट सो ब्यूटीफुल एज शीला. गरिमा इज रैदर ब्यूटीफुल देन शीला. गरिमा एंड शीला आर नॉट सो ब्यूटीफुल. गरिमा इज नॉट सो ब्यूटीफुल एज शीला. The superlative degree of the adverb well is. The superlative degree of the adverb well is well, better, best or good. Best. Best. Option C. The correct form of the verb. The blind dash always honest. The blind is always honest, was, are or has. Are. The blind are always honest. Woman after woman dash going there. Woman after woman is, are, am or have. Woman after woman is going there. One of the students dash waiting for you is, are, were, am. One of the students is waiting for you. One of the students is waiting for you. Sunil with Bunty dash going to Tonk Fatak. Are, is, am, has. Sunil with Bunty is going to Tonk Fatak. Use appropriate preposition. Who did you give the money? Dash. From, to, by, on. Who did you give the money to? Who did you give the money to? We shall have returned home dash 10 o'clock at, on, by, in. We shall have returned home by 10 o'clock. He was very ill last year, but thank goodness, he pulled dash through, off, on, or along. Through. He was very ill last year, but thank goodness he pulled through. Pull through, ठीक हो जाना. Many diseases were formerly attributed dash with craft. Which craft? The correct preposition to the fill up blank is to. Many diseases were formerly attributed to witchcraft. Few things are impossible dash diligence and skill. The proposition that fits into the blank will be few things are impossible to diligence and skill. The young lady is very keen dash cycling about at on off. The young lady is very keen on cycling. I cannot do this work now as I have other matter to attend dash to for and at. I cannot do this work now as I have other matters to attend to. The police were quite sure that the man was guilty dash robbing the old lady. The police were quite sure that the man was guilty of robbing the old lady. We arrived dash an acceptable solution in at on from. We arrived at an acceptable solution. Conclusion दिखाने के लिए at यूज होता है. We arrived at an acceptable solution. Gagarin Gagarin was the first person. Gagarin was the first person dash went round the world. Gagarin was the first person who went round the world. As soon as the peon rings the bell, dash all the students come to the assembly room for prayer. Then, as when, no conjunction. As soon as the peon rings the bell, as soon as the peon rings the bell, all the students come to the assembly room for prayer. No conjunction. Both the rich dash the poor are affected equally when prices petrol and diesel increase, along with and or but. Both the rich and the poor are affected equally when prices petrol and diesel increase. Neither he nor I were there. Neither he nor I is there. Neither he or I am there. Neither he nor I was there. Neither he or I was there. Option number C is correct answer. Neither he nor I was there. The hotel dash is built near my college is meant for the rich. What, that, when, where? The hotel that is built near my college is meant for the rich. Dash I have no money, I can not buy the books. Although, though, since, unless. Since. Since I have no money, I cannot buy the books. Since I have no money, I cannot buy the books. Dash you run, you cannot catch the bus. Unless if, even if, so long as if, provided if. Even if, even if you run, you cannot catch the bus. Dash you speak English. Will, should, can, ought to. Can. Can you speak English? There are few things. There are few clouds in the sky. It dash ran today. There are few clouds in the sky. It dash ran today. Might, may, must, should. Might. There are few clouds in the sky. It might rain today. The word courteous is similar in meaning to polite, related to a court, impolite or kind. Polite. The word courteous is similar to meaning to polite. Courteous, polite. What does the word villain means? Rascal, rogue, scoundrel, vulgar. Villain is similar to villain means rascal. The opposite of frequent is infrequent, unfrequent, disfrequent, or antifrequent. Infrequent. The opposite of frequent is infrequent. The antonym of bright is colorful, transparent, dull, dark. The antonym of bright is dull. The opposite of the word familiar is destructive, positive, artistic, pessimistic. The word of familiar the word familiar का opposite होगा artistic. Which of the following is an antonym of the word accuse? Blame, vindicate, attack, hinder. Blame. Accuse का antonym blame. Which of the following does not mean vengeance? Vengeance. Defense. Vengeance का मीनिंग नहीं होगा डिफेंस. रिवेंज, रिटेलिएशन, रिट्रीब्यूशन. वेनिजेंस का मीनिंग होगा बदला लेना. चूज द सुटेबल वन वर्ड. KB स्टैंड्स फॉर किलोबाइट, किलोबाइट, किलोबिट, किलोबीट. ऑप्शन ए किलोबाइट. A fish out of water means face to face with death, in want of a house, determined to live in a strange situation. In a strange situation. A fish out of water means in a strange situation. A fish out of water means in a strange situation. A wild goose chase is dash. A useless enterprise, a violent chase, a pleasurable hunt, a harsh gesture. A wild goose chase is a useless enterprise. A wild goose chase is a useless enterprise. Make hay while the sun shines means use the sunshine for harvesting. Be active during the day. Be merry during the summer. Make maximum use of a given opportunity. Be active during the day. Make hay while the sunshine means be active during the day. Paragraph. Paragraph on education. Independence. Write the synonym of freedom. Independence. Write the antonym of lie. Truth. Find out the words which has the meaning completely. Entirely. Famous. Well known. Story. Story. Floor. Story floor. Using the correct suffix, convert the word short into an abstract noun. Shortness. Shortness. Plays an important role in the decision making process. Memo, tender, circular, agenda play. Memo, sorry. Memo plays an important role in the decision making process. खत्म हो गया. Okay.